Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. You need to receive a security alert when a user attempts to sign in from a location that was never used by the other users in your organization to sign in. Which anomaly detection policy should you use? Option A. Impossible travel. Option B. Activity from anonymous IP addresses. Option C. Activity from infrequent country. Option D. Malware detection. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. Activity from infrequent country. Question 2. You have a Microsoft 365 subscription that uses Microsoft Defender for Office 365. You have Microsoft SharePoint online sites that contain sensitive documents. The documents contain customer account numbers that each consist of 32 alphanumeric characters. You need to create a data loss prevention (DLP) policy to protect the sensitive documents. What should you use to detect which documents are sensitive? Option A. SharePoint search. Option B. A hunting query in Microsoft 365 Defender. Option C. Azure Information Protection. Option D. Regex pattern matching. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. Azure Information Protection. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs. And revise with confidence.